Hello students, welcome to our maths class. Unit 13, Ways to multiply and divide. In our previous video, we had solved of one number, page number 175 and page number 176. We solved the story, sums related to the Satish story. Now we will start with the sums. They are about the Kamla Bai's story. Now let's read what is there in this Kamla Bai story. Kamla Bai. To help farmers, the cooperative organizations, the government and social organizations are there which helps the poor people by donating some of the money. To help farmers, the cooperative organization gave cow. What did they give? Cow. Kamla Bai Gude, the surname of Kamla Bai is Gude, also got a cow. One got she also got. The cost of the cow was rupees 17,500. What was the cost? 17,500. She had to pay rupees 5,500. The cost was 17,500, but Kamla Bai have to pay only 5,500, and the cooperative organization spends the rest of the money. The rest of the money cooperative organizations have to spend. How much did the cooperative organization spend on the cow? 17,500 minus 5,500. So 17 minus 5, 12. 500 cut, it will be 1,200 or 12,000. Okay, so here we got easily the answer was 12,000. 12,000 rupees the cooperative bank have to spend after one cow. Now, if 9 people from her village got the cows, how much did the cooperative organization spend in all? How many people got the cow? 9 people. The cost of one cow which cooperative organization have to spend was 12,000. So 9 12s are how much? 9 12s are, if you multiply 9 12s are 108. So 108, and at the back 30 we will put. That means we multiplied 108 by 12. So 9 multiplied by 12, 108, and 9 multiplied by 1000, we get this 1000. Okay. Okay. Now again the story continues. Kamla Bai had to spend 185. First of all, we will start the sum. Then we will read the story and solve the sums. Okay. Kamla Bai's story. Page number 176. Cost of one cow is equals to rupees 17,500. Kamla Bai pays rupees 5,500. Okay. Cooperative organization have to pay rupees 12,000 for each cow, or we can write for one cow. Okay, for one cow. Okay, so 12,000 cooperative organization have to pay, and 5,500 Kamla Bai has to pay. Now first, if 9 people from a village got the cow, how much did cooperative organization spend in all? Rupees cooperative for 9 cows is equals to, for 1 cow they are supposed to spend 12,000. So for 9 cows 12,000 multiplied by 9. 12,000, 12 nines are 108, and then 3 zeros at the back. So it is 1,08,000. Sorry, 10,08,000 rupees they are supposed to spend. One lakh 8,000 he is supposed to wait a minute, there is a mistake by me. Wait a second, let's see. Okay, 12,000 multiplied by 9. 12,000 multiplied by 9. 12 nines are, we will get 108. We'll get 1,08,000 for the papers. 1,08,000. One lakh 8,000 the company has, the cooperative organization have to spend in all the. Okay, now we got the 1,08,000 they are supposed to spend on 9 cows. Now let's see further. Kamlabai had to spend rupees 185 every day on the cow. Now Kamlabai got the cow. Okay, it was over. She paid 5,500 rupees, and rest of the amount was paid by the cooperative organization, and the cow was given to the Kamlabai. Now further, Kamlabai had to spend rupees 185 every day on the cow. She made some money by selling milk. Now Kamlabai had to spend rupees 185 every day on the cow. This was the expense after cow. Now, if Kamlabai spends 185 a day, find out how much she will spend in 1 month. I will write down. Kamlabai spend 185 rupees 185 per day on cow. Then rupees she spent in 1 month is equals to 185 multiplied by, in 1 month 30 days will take. Okay, then it will be 185 multiplied by 30. 0 5s are 0, 0 8s are 0, 0 1s are 0. Taking 330, so putting 0, 3 5s are 15, 5, 1, 3 8s are 24 plus 1, 25, 3 1s are 3 plus 2, 5. Okay, 3 now 3 8s are 25. We have written 3 8s are 25. 2 carry 5. 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 2 5. Now let's add 0, 5, 5 and 5. 5,550 rupees she spent after the cow in 1 month. We will write she spends rupees 5550 after one cow in 1 month. On she spends on cow in 1 month. Okay, so we got this answer also. Now the cow gives 8 liter of milk every day. How much rupees the cow gives? The cow gives 8 liter of milk every day. How much will it give in 1 day? In 1 month, okay. Cow gives 8 liter milk in 1 day. So milk given in 1 month is equals to 8 multiplied by 30. Okay, 8 3s are 24. 8 3s are 24 and 0. 240 liters of milk okay. How much do the cow gives in 1 month? 240 liters of milk she gives in 1 month. Okay, now next one. If the milk is sold at rupees 9 per liter, if the milk is sold plus rupees 39 per liter, how much money will Kamla Bai make in 1 month? Okay. Now next part we will see cost of 1 liter milk. Cost of 1 liter milk is equals to rupees 39. Well, cost of 1 liter milk is rupees 39, and now 1 month we are supposed to call. Okay, the 1 month, how much liter in 1 month it was getting? 240 liters. The rupees Kamla Bai will make by selling milk in 1 month is equals to 1 month, how many liters of milk? 240 multiplied by 39. 240 is the liters of milk which the cow gives in 1 month, isn't it? Into per day she gives 8 liters, and in 1 month 30 days 8 30 is 240 liters. Now we will multiply it. 240 multiplied by 39. 9 zeros are 0, 9 fours are 36, 3 36, 9 twos are 18, 18 plus 3 21. Now putting 3, so putting a 0, 30, 3 zeros are 0, 3 fours are 12, 2, 1 carry, 3 twos are 6 plus 1, 7. Zero, 6, 3, 9, 9,360. She gets rupees 9,360 by selling milk. Okay, students, understood? Now, other one is Now other question is, so the money spent on keeping the cow was, now so the money spent on keeping the cow was, how much did she spend on keeping the cow? Keeping the cow was 5,500, isn't it? The money spent for keeping the cow was 5,550. And how money earned by selling the milk was 9,360. Now, which is more, money spent on the cow or money earned from it? How much? Now we are supposed to find that. Okay, so we'll write down in money spent on keeping cow for 1 month is equals to rupees, how much was that? 5,550. Now money earned by selling milk is equals to rupees, how much? 9,360. Okay, money earned is more, so we will write now how much more we are supposed to do, is it? So we will find out it will by subtracting. Okay, 9,360 subtracted by 5,550 is subtract 0 1 8 minus 5 3 3,810 rupees. Okay, so what will write, how much which is more, money spent on cow or money earned from it? How much money earned by selling milk is more money earned by selling milk is more than money spent on cow by rupees 3,810. So after deducting all the expenses, Kamla Bai will get rupees 3,810 rupees from this cow. Understood, students? Okay. So today we will, in this video we will do this here. So you are supposed to write down. Okay, this all.